talk about the stiffness. What is the stiffness? The ability of the material to resist the deformation under the applied force. Right? It says simply, basically, the Young modulus of elasticity is known as your stiffness. If a material have the more Young's modulus of elasticity, it means they can resist the body, the force more. So basically, it's defined how the material is stronger or strong. I mean, basically, it's stiffer. You can get confused about the strength. So stronger is something else. Okay. Uh, some sense because we mostly relate with strength. So stiffer is a good word. Okay. So if the value of Young modulus elasticity is more, the material will have the more stiffer. Okay. So what the kind of test that you can do? Obviously, it is just, I mean, you know how, I mean, from where the E comes out. It's just a stress is directly proportional to a strain. From the Hooke's law, the constant that you introduce is known as your E value, right? So it is just a constant value. It comes from the test UTM, universal testing machine that we have done above. So this is the universal testing machine. Okay. Which is sample things, equipment known as UTM with extensometer, as I have shown here. This is the diagram. Yeah, here you can see this is the extensometer. Extensometer, right? It is in mid place. So overall, this is the UTM, and this UTM is with extensometer. So resonance, this is the stiffness.